Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be trying on the MakeupShayla palette and lipstick, as well as the Colourpop foundation that they just came out with. Starting with some concealer. I think this color might be called something different now. But the one under my eyes is, under my eyebrow is deep 48, and on my eyelid is deep golden 60. And I'm using the setting powder that I got. I have an eye booger, but that'll go away soon. I've actually used this palette like a couple of times before, and I would say that I love it. The colors in here are there's different colors from like each color family. So I feel like you can do like a million different looks with this. And I used the orange shade thick and the one in the bottom right corner right next to it. September is such a pretty pink, like it's a really true pink. And that's really hard to like show up on dark complexions sometimes. So shout out to Shayla for getting that right. And this is a NYX eyeliner, Epic Ink eyeliner. They need to release this in other colors, honestly, because like the tip, the flexibility, I'm here for it. Okay, so at first I wasn't sure about the color match of this foundation because as you can see, like it looks a little off, but it is deep golden, and my undertones are very golden, like especially on my chest. Yeah, it's 185, but as it dries, it literally becomes skin. It's supposed to be like a medium to full coverage, and you can definitely make it a full coverage if you wanted to. I started with 2 pumps, and I'm gonna add like another one and blend it out. The brush I think is cool. Like I really like getting the foundation brush along with the new foundation just because like, you know, it's made for that. So I don't regret getting the foundation brush. Like I actually wanted a foundation brush like this so that I can just spread out my foundation and then have my beauty blender like do the perfecting. Blend, blend, blend. Again, this is dark 48 in the Colourpop concealer. I love that. Well, I mean, these definitely oxidize to like a darker color. So, you know, as it spread it out, as it darkens, as it dries down, it becomes a better, like, well, a less dramatic highlight. And I don't know if I like that or not yet, but it's been working so far. Like I don't have any like major complaints. This is a NYX blending brush blending sponge, by the way. I actually really love it. It has like a flat top, so I can get in the corner of my eyes without messing up like my entire look. Again, I'm using the deep powder. I mean, my skin looks like no filter-esque already without the powder, but I feel like the powder just brings everything together. This is the Fenty Beauty matchstick in Espresso, I believe. It's the second darkest one. course, that's the Fenty blush. This blush is by Juvia's Place. It's in B. And the highlighter is Most Necessary by Colourpop. It's one of my favorite highlighters. Like, obviously you see like a hit pan like crazy, but they don't sell it anymore. It's a brown lip liner by NYX. Pretty sure it's literally called brown. When I first saw like brown girl was trying on this lipstick, I was like, oh my god, it looks so good. And like as I blended it, it looked okay. It looked okay on camera. Like I got the lip gloss too, and it looked okay on camera, but in real life, like I wasn't feeling it at all. Like I just feel like it was really ashy, so it was just a no for me. I don't know if I'll ever be able to make it work. Next time I'm thinking I'll try like a more reddish brown lip liner and then go from there. So this is Take a Pixie by Colourpop. It's a really muted pink, and I feel like it's definitely going to be like my everyday color. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.